Hey, what's up guys? Jesse Morrison here. And today we are gonna go through 6961 Ballinger Avenue, which is a house here in San Carlos, 92119. San Carlos has a median price point, guys, right now of just over $1 million. And Ballinger Avenue has lowered their price from June from $1,025,000 all the way down to $825,000, which makes it one of the most affordable detached houses in the entire zip code. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows. And while I'm doing that, I'll go ahead and read to you some of the features and the highlights that this particular home has to offer. But before we get into it, if you want to keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hey guys, my name is Jesse Morrison and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. If you would like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, then just visit the link in the description below and apply now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the features that the listing agent went ahead and wrote down about 6961 Ballinger Avenue. They said this: it's a spacious solar-powered San Carlos home with views of Cowles Mountain. The solar is approximately 4 years old and it's owned. So what it does is it transfers with the title. The home was formerly a 4-bedroom with previous owner, converting it to a 3-bedroom house with a 21 by 25 foot family room with a gas fireplace. It's got a remodeled kitchen and master bathroom, a 2-car attached garage with side-by-side washer and dryer, which we'll get to that in the video. There's French doors from the family and master bedroom that lead out to a spacious patio and backyard, which is perfect for, late summer barbecues. And it has 2 roomy storage sheds and a water fountain feature in the backyard as well. Another thing that I wanted to note was that this house is in the Gage Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Pershing Middle and Patrick Henry High School. So if you have any other questions about this particular house or any other home here in San Carlos or San Diego, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. So stay tuned to the end of this home tour as we'll go ahead and share with you, just how to apply to the Jesse Morrison Group so that we can help add tens of thousands of dollars to your bottom line when it comes time for you to buy your next home here in San Diego. Guys, I look forward to helping. Look, if anyone you care about could benefit from this information, then please make sure to share the video using the share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. So if you would like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process in the coming months, then just visit the link in the description below and apply now. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out the next couple videos that we're gonna put up on the screen, because those are the videos that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping.